Hi, Mr. Adams. My name is Tawaki Komatsu. We previously met a couple of times. I mainly just have an objection to one of the bills that's on the agenda for discussion today, the one that would basically assign responsibility to the NYPD and MOCJ that you just talked about. I guess my objections to that, there's currently litigation against members of the NYPD for essentially terrorism in New York City throughout 2020. So the point is, if you have members of the NYPD in an SUV, for example, driving into a crowd in Brooklyn, can you identify which members of the NYPD are going to be assigned to the team, I guess, setting up the rules, regulations, to find out, do they have an active lawsuit against them? Do they have CCRB complaints against them? Meaning, for example, there's a federal court decision of Piesco versus City of New York. It basically talks about how the competency of members of the NYPD is of public concern. So the question is, if you as a mayor, as a manager of a team, an administration, are basically giving the responsibility to people dressed in law enforcement costumes to make law enforcement decisions when they're actually violating applicable law on the side, I don't think that's a very rational decision. Something that I have to support that remark, I have federal court litigation. I received something from the US Supreme Court yesterday. So the question is, you can make your decision, and then somebody like me can have the US Supreme Court overrule that. Have a good day.
Anytime we make an assignment of a police officer, we take in account his or her record to make sure the right person is assigned, and we're going to ensure our disciplinary process is in place for anyone that violates any rules of the NYPD. Any other questions? Thank you.